Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to switch between Fahrenheit and Celsius on the Typhur Dome 2 air fryer. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to read your temperatures in Celsius, or maybe you want to read it in Fahrenheit. How do you actually switch between both the temperatures? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, the first thing that you're going to do is make sure your Typhur Dome 2 air fryer is plugged in. Afterwards, you're going to go ahead and press the power button located right over here. Now, on the left-hand side, you're going to see the temperature display. If you press and hold the up and down arrows on the temperature display and hold it down for 2 seconds, that's going to go ahead and change it to Celsius. So as you can see, it's now in Celsius. So if you go ahead and do that again, it's now going to change it to Fahrenheit. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and switch between Fahrenheit and Celsius on the Typhur Dome 2 air fryer. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.